Hi, my name's Anna. I've worked for the Welsh Ambulance Service for 3.5 years. During my time, I've had my flu jab every year, and this is to protect myself and my family at home. My mum's got brittle asthma, so it's very important that I protect her and that she has her own flu jab as well. It's vitally important that I have it this year because I'm pregnant, and at any stage during my pregnancy, I could have had the injection, but I'm having it now at 18.5 weeks, and this is to protect my unborn baby. And I encourage all my colleagues out there to have the injection as well for the flu jab because it's going to protect them, it's going to protect their families, and it's also going to protect anyone who they're working with who is pregnant. And I just thank you for that.